Hi everyone, I'm Eddie from KE Kitchen Cabinets. Today we're checking the Joinery and Vanity Benchtop package for 17 Birkbeck Street, Albion, Queensland, to confirm key project details before shipment. The project scope includes kitchen, laundry, linen, bathroom vanity, and robe cabinetry. Kitchen and vanity units use E1 moisture-resistant particle board, 16mm warm white melamine carcasses, and 18mm matte white 2-pack MDF fronts. The robe package uses 18mm melamine carcasses, 2-pack doors, and aluminium-framed mirror sliding doors. Blum hinges, tandem box drawers, cutlery trays, a pull-out waste bin, and touch-open hardware are also included. The vanity package includes a Calicut-style quartz top and ceramic overmount basin. KE supports the project with shop drawings, export packing, installation drawings, and technical coordination for the builder's local installation team. Before the cabinets are packed, our QC team checks the completed joinery against the approved production drawings and project specifications. The inspection begins by confirming the project area, cabinet number, and drawing reference, so each unit can be matched with the correct location in the kitchen, laundry, linen, vanity, or robe package. We then measure the overall cabinet width, height, and depth. These dimensions are checked against the approved drawings to confirm that the cabinet structure has been manufactured to the required size. Key openings and internal layouts are also reviewed, including appliance spaces, shelf positions, drawer locations, hanging sections, and other functional areas shown in the drawings. For doors and drawer fronts, the team checks the panel position, surrounding gaps and alignment between adjoining components. Consistent gaps are important because small differences can become more visible once several cabinets are installed together. Tall cabinets, robe panels, and larger doors are checked carefully for straightness and vertical alignment. The relationship between cabinet bodies, exposed end panels, and neighboring units is also reviewed. Where required, the QC team records the measurements and compares the actual cabinet with the approved production information before the item is released for packing. Completing these checks at the factory helps identify dimensional issues before shipment, reduce avoidable modification work on site, and provide clearer support for the builder's local installation team. Next, our QC team checks panel thickness with a vernier caliper. For the kitchen and vanity package, the carcass and back panels are specified at 16mm with 18mm MDF door fronts. The robe carcass and back panels are specified at 18mm. We also inspect exposed panels and finished edges against the approved material schedule, confirming the specified panel structure before packing. After the panel checks, our QC team tests the functional hardware and project accessories. We first open and close the Blum tandem box drawers, checking full extension travel, soft closing performance, runner stability, and drawer front alignment. The Blum cutlery tray is then checked for the correct size, internal layout, and secure fit inside the drawer. Next, the pull-out waste bin is tested for smooth movement, sufficient clearance, and correct closing. The roller shutter door is also operated to check its travel, track movement, and stopping position. For the handleless cabinet section, we check the profile position, alignment, secure fixing, and finger clearance. Finally, the LED mirror is powered on to confirm the touch control and lighting function. These checks confirm that the specified hardware and accessories are functioning correctly before packing. Next, we compare the production panels with the approved color sample, checking the white 2-pack finish, color tone, and surface consistency before packing. After the factory inspection is completed, the cabinetry package is prepared for export packing and delivery. Each carton is clearly labeled according to the project area, such as kitchen, laundry, linen, bathroom vanity, or robe. The label includes the project name, cabinet number, cabinet description, size, quantity, and package number, helping the builder's team identify each item more easily after delivery. Handling marks, such as fragile, keep dry, and this side up are also added where required to support safer transportation and site receiving. For overseas projects, clear packing and labeling help reduce confusion. Simplified checking against the packing list and support smoother coordination with the builder's local installation team. At KE Kitchen Cabinets, packing is part of the project supply process, not simply the final step before shipment. After the cabinet inspection and packing review, we move to the benchtop inspection for the 17 Birkbeck Street project in Albion, Queensland. The 20mm silica-free engineered stone pieces are laid out in the workshop and checked against the project drawings. Our team reviews the overall layout, stone pieces, sink cutout position, edge condition, and marble-style surface before final packing. This helps make sure the benchtop package matches the approved project requirements before shipment. After all benchtop pieces are laid out, our team checks the color tone and marble-style veining against the approved stone finish reference. For this project, the benchtop uses 20mm silica-free engineered stone with a marble-style surface. We review the overall color consistency, visible veining, surface finish, and matching between different benchtop pieces before packing. This helps keep the final kitchen and laundry benchtop package consistent with the approved project specification. After checking the color and marble-style veining, our QC team measures the actual benchtop dimensions. For this project, we check the length, width, edge thickness, and cut-to-size details against the approved benchtop drawings. The 20mm silica-free engineered stone is measured with both tape measure and caliper, depending on the checking point. This helps confirm that each benchtop piece is produced to the required size before packing and shipment. After confirming the benchtop dimensions and joint details, our QC team checks the visible front edges and sink cutout details. The front edge is reviewed for polishing quality, straightness, and overall finish, because this is one of the most visible parts after installation. We also carry out a sink trial fitting to check the cutout position, opening size, edge clearance, and alignment with the approved benchtop drawing. This helps confirm that the 304 stainless steel sink can match the prepared benchtop opening before final packing. From cabinetry inspection to benchtop checking, every step is completed before shipment to support better project coordination. For Australian builders, Factory QC helps reduce avoidable site issues and makes it easier for the local installation team to complete the cabinetry package on site. Special thanks to our client and project partners for their trust in KE Kitchen Cabinets. We also appreciate our factory, QC, packing, and logistics teams for their careful work on the 17 Birkbeck Street Joinery project. KE Kitchen Cabinets, factory-made project cabinetry for Australian builders.